All right. We're starting chapter 6. And before we do these notes, I want you guys to watch this video. So you can pause my video after you're instructed to do so. On your Schoology page, go to chapter 6 and watch these top two videos. The logarithms video and the log base E video. Okay, that'll explain what we're talking about. So you can pause this video that I'm doing right now, go in and watch those two, and then come back to this video. Okay? In these notes, okay, you just got done watching the video, we're going to simplify log base E. Okay, in these situations on these top four, E acts as a variable. Okay, we all know E is a constant, and it's at 2.71 blah blah blah. But in this case, it's going to act as a variable. When we have a variable raised to an exponent times that same variable raised to another exponent, all we do is add the exponents. So our first answer is just e to the 7th. Okay, we just got done doing this last week. So e to the -2 times e to the 3rd, we just add our exponents, so it's -2 plus 3. Positive 1, so we can just leave that as e. The next one, we can divide 16 and 4. Right there, 16 divided by 4, that's 4. Yeah, but then we have e to the 5th over e to the 4th. So we're left with just 1e. That's all it is. Okay, so we should be all right on this. Next one, we have 3e to the -4x raised to the 2nd power. So we kind of distribute that too. So we go 3 squared, that's 9. But then when we have an exponent, e to the -4x, remember all we do is multiply our exponent. So -4x times 2, that's -8x. Oh, sorry, e to the -8x. E to the -8x. Ooh, almost forgot. Major mistake there. Ooh, almost a major mistake. Okay, down here. We want to find the value of x in each exponential equation, explain our reasoning, then use the value of x to rewrite the exponential equation in its equivalent logarithmic form. X equals log base b y. So first thing we want to do is find x. 2 to the x equals 8. So 2 to the what power equals 8? Well, I know that 2 to the 3rd power equals 8. And now I have to write that in log base b y form. And I'm going to zoom in here really quickly. Sorry, I'm just kind of realizing now that it's smaller font. There we go. Okay, now in log base b form, I know that 2 is my base. So 2 is the base, 8 is the number next to it, and that equals 3. Remember in our log video, it said move like a log. Right, in the natural form. 2 to the 3rd power is 8. Next one. 3 to the what power equals 9? Well, I know that 3 squared equals 9. And I know that log base 3, 9 equals 2. Okay. Next one. 4 to the what power equals 2? This one, you either kind of get it or you don't. You kind of have to, you can mess around with some numbers, but I know it's going to be less than 1. I'm going to say 4 to the 1/2 power equals 2. Which makes sense, right? We remember what 1/2 is. Well, that's square root. What's the square root of 4? 2. So I know that 4 to the 1/2 power equals 2. And now I just do the same thing. Okay, my log base 4, the 2 equals that 1/2. And again, you can always check your work by doing that natural flow. 4 to the 1/2 equals 2. Next couple. 5 to the what power equals 1? See, this is where we have to be really good at exponents. It's not 5 to the 1/5 power, although we can check our work. 5 to the 1/5 power. Let's just see. I'll open up my calculator here, see what we get. Oh, give me 1 second. I have to bring this calculator over here. There we go. Okay. We can check our work. 5 to the 1/2 power, or 5 to, I don't know, let's just say 1/5. Not quite 1. This is where we have to be really good at exponents. We know that anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So we know that 5 to the 0 equals 1. So I know that log base 5 of 1 equals 0. Next one, 5 to the x equals 1/5. Well, how'd they get that 5 on the bottom? That's where I have that negative exponent. 5 to the negative 1 equals 1/5. So I know that log base 5 of 1/5 equals negative 1. Okay, big numbers go on the left side. The exponent goes on the equal sign. Last one, 8 to the what power equals 4? It's not 8 to the 1/2. Some of us may be thinking that. 8 to the 1/2. We can check our work. 8 to the 0.5. Nope. It's bigger than that. What about 8 to the 2/3? Ah, yes. How did I know that? Well, I know the cube root of 8 is 2, squared is 4. Right? 8 to the 2/3 equals the cube root of 8 squared, which is 4. So, I know that 8 to the 2/3 equals 4. Remember, left side, so log base 8 of 4 equals 2/3. Ooh, and my screen just went kaput. Ugh. Fix it. Alright, moving on. Last couple here. Rewrite this equation in exponential form. Oh, okay. So remember, these numbers were on my left side. Well, actually, this is where I follow the flow of the log. 2 to the 4 equals 16. 2 to the 4 equals 16. 4 to the 0 equals 1. This one is way easier. Same thing here. 12 to the 1st equals 12. 1/4 to the negative 1 power equals 4. You can just keep on going. 5. Oh, I made a mistake here. Oh, is that 2.5? No, that wouldn't make sense either. Made a mistake on this one. I'll fix that. It's 10 to the 0.1 equals negative 1. Oh, wait. Oh. These are already in exponential form. I have to write more directions. Haha, I see my mistake. These top four are in logs. These are in exponential form. I want you to write in log form. I'll change the directions here after this video. Okay, this is log of 5, 25 equals 2. Because I know that, again, if I were going in log form, 5 squared equals 25. Next one, left side, log of 10, log base 10, 0.1 equals negative 1. This is log 8 of 4 to the 2/3. And last one, I know, left side, log base 6 of 1 over 2/16 equals negative 3. Got it. So that is log and log base E simplification.